We've got a brand new model to show you, these 2023 1025Rs. Factory delivered, this 120R loader is gonna offer a single point hydraulic connector. All right, so let's go over taking this loader off using that single point hydraulic connector. So I'm gonna jump up on the tractor. Notice that the park brake is set. I'm gonna go ahead and fire the tractor up, and I'm gonna start the first process just like I would always start on the 1 Series tractor. So I'm gonna hydraulically depress the front bucket down. That will take the weight off of these 2 mounting brackets. I'll pull those up. So let's go ahead and go through that process really quick. Take that brake off. All right, so now what I need to do is take the hydraulic pressure out of the lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate my loader around in a circular motion. I'll pop off the tractor. I'm gonna pull back on this little detent right here. So I'll pull back and push up on the hydraulic connector, and that releases all 4 banks right at once. I'll pull that off. We've got a nice little storage lever that we talked about earlier right there. We'll throw it on that storage bank, and then I'll plug over my, my dust covers so that I keep those hydraulic connections nice and clean. So that's how to go ahead and take off the loader. So let's go ahead and get it back reconnected. So I'm going to take off those dust plugs that I put on. I'm going to drive up obviously to my tractor and make sure that everything is aligned. I'm going to take my single point hydraulic connector. I'm going to take it off of that mount. I'm going to go ahead and push it into those 2 pins. I'm going to pull this lever backwards, and that's going to go ahead and hydraulically connect me back to the tractor. All right, then I'll jump back on it, fire it up, and bring the loader back onto it using the tractor's hydraulics. Just like that, real easy. My name is Jason Hughes. I'm a territory manager out of Eugene, Oregon. I'm also a large property owner and own a lot of the equipment that you see featured in these videos. If we can answer any questions for you, please comment below.